Hey, Alex.
Hey, Brandon. How are you doing, man?
Good. I'm glad to meet up with you today.
We are here at the Fairport Public Library in Fairport. Got an old OTIS.
Yep.
Old OTIS elevator here. Do you happen to know what year this building was built? 70s, I'm going to bet.
Ooh.
Classic leveling.
Look at that OTIS logo right there.
Look at this thing. You want to take one or two rides on this thing?
2 rides.
That classic leveling.
And there's your OTIS logo.
That's actually newer Lexan.
Oh, forgot the demonstrator.
Look at these buttons.
Hey, Alex.
Hey, Brandon.
Look at these fixtures right here.
Absolutely love those things.
And there's an ADA compliant phone.
That leveling is epic.
Yep.
One more ride?
Yep.
Absolutely love those buttons.
There's a bumper. Yeah, sadly, door close doesn't. It doesn't close when you press the button.
No, most Lexans did not have them. Older Lexans didn't, at least. I'm gonna put my camera right up at the indicator. £2,000 capacity.
Is it leveling?
Let me look at the call station. I think it's beautiful. You want to back down to Aaron?
Yep.
All right. Here we go. That is new, I can tell you that much.
Yep.
£2,000
It is hot.
capacity. Yes, it is.
There you go.